Hello friends, today I will talk about the people those are living in village areas or living in countryside areas, and what is the difference between these people, those are living in village areas and those are living in cities areas. Main difference between these and can the village areas people speak the good English language, or those who are living in cities areas can speak the good English language. In this way I also make the difference between those people who got their education from government schools and those who got their education from private institutions. What is the difference between these two? Can the people those got education from government schools speak good English, or those got education from private schools speak good English? Actually, I have seen that the people those are living in village areas, they sometimes feels inferiority complex while speaking the English language instead of those people those are living in cities areas, because even they know the English language, but when it comes to speak the language they feel the inferiority complex while speaking, because they sometimes they feel that they are not well dressed, they are poor, or some kind of other thinkings come into their minds, and these thinking create problems for them. So I have seen that those people who are living in village areas have very fresh mind, because the environment in village areas is very good, very pleasant atmosphere is there, and in very silent environment, in such kind of beautiful environment your mind works very good. While in the rush of cities areas, traffic noise, rush of all kind of things, your mind do not work properly, and you do not think proper ideas. While when you live in a village areas, new ideas will come into your mind, and you will do your things according to your new ideas. And if you live in a cities areas, there are too much traffic, too much noise, pollutions, and sometimes people feel bored. And while living in villages areas, if you get the good facilities in village areas, then the village areas are very best to live, good environment, very healthy environment. But if you don't have the facilities in villages, then you then you find or you face the problems, a lot of problems in village areas also. But when it comes to speak the language, because people those are living in village areas do not have too much facilities to learn the English language, even they don't have the facility of internet where they can browse the videos of their choice, and they can watch those videos to improve their English language. Most of the people learn English language in village areas by just reading the books, or reading some kind of spoken language books, or reading the subjective books, those they read in the schools or colleges. And even there in village area there are no facilities of schools. When they read up to middle standards or up to 5 standards, they do not find any kind of school to read further. So they have to travel to other side areas or far away. Then mostly people don't carry their study ahead, and in this way they do not get the facilities. I have seen so many villages, there are no facilities of good schools, good colleges, and when intelligent people read up to 5 standards and they do not find the school, and they have to travel far away, they do not have access of roads, and even if the road is available, they don't have too much extra money for fare on daily basis. So they face such kind of problems, and they do not carry their study, and they have the talent. If they will be provided the facilities, they would excel in their field. but most of the people, most of the student quit their education and do something else for earning their livelihood. And when you will not find the facilities of schools or colleges nearby you, and you cannot travel toward the cities area due to the financial problems, then how can you improve your talent? How can you grow yourself? So such kind of problems are available in village areas. You have seen that mostly people, those gained the popularity or those are on high positions, they are linked with the villages. If you listen to their interviews, if you watch their videos, you will find that somehow they belong to the village areas. Mostly people, because as I told you that village area provides you the good atmosphere, good environment and fresh mind. With fresh mind you can learn the language or you can grow your talent easily. Otherwise, there are many people, those are living in cities areas and those get the good opportunities of schools, good schools, and there they go and read their subjects and grow their talent. They are also excelling, but the talented people, those are living in villages area, are neglected due to their poverty, because they don't have the money to grow their talent. Even some people becomes the doctors from village areas, but they have the money or they have their family members, friends abroad working, and they are spending their money on their education. But the talented people, those are poor, they cannot afford money, and in this way they quit their education, and the whole talent wasted. I think that if they will be provided with the facilities, they can excel better than others. Right now, when we talk about the government schools and the private schools, you know that in government schools in underdeveloped countries, you have seen that in government schools some different subjects are taught, and in private schools some advanced level subjects are taught, such as most of the subjects are in English language in private schools, while in government schools only one subject is in English language, that is the English subject. So when these students go there in cities area or get their admission in private schools, then they face the problems. When they turn from their national language to English language, then they face a lot of problems, because it is much difficult for them to grow their talent, because they don't know the English language, and all the books are in English language. They feel the problems while learning the things, or learning the stories or subjects, whatever taught to them. In this way, I have seen that whenever there are extra talented people, those are whether reading in government schools or whether reading in the private schools, they are very extra talented and they can excel in both schools, whether they are reading in the government schools or in private schools. They have the ability, because they have the devotion. They are too much interested to get some things in life. They have a goal in front of them. On the basis of that things, they read, they study, they get the environment, they create their self, the environment and surrounding themselves of that thing, such as of English environment, and they read a lot of books instead of their subjective books, instead of their syllabus. In this way, they can excel at a high level. You have seen that mostly people, as I told you, those are on high positions, they are taught from government schools. There are some those are taught from the private schools, but right now the private schools are providing the good facilities, although their buildings are not good instead of the government schools. The government schools have the beautiful buildings, beautiful rooms, but the number of students are less, and teachers there mostly spend their time in gossiping, and they know that after 1 month they will get the salary. But in private schools, the teachers know that they will have to give the result, and in this way they do much hard work, and instead they don't get the good environment as beautiful buildings or other facilities which are the government teachers are getting. So I think that extra talented people can excel anywhere, whether they are reading in government schools or whether they are reading in private schools. But the environment is very necessary, and with environment facilities such as financial position will be good. If you are not financially good, then you will quit your education, and in this way you will lose your talent, you will not grow yourself, and you will waste your talent in some extra things. I think that the government and other private NGOs should support such kind of students. Those are extra talented. Those are talented and want to read ahead, want to do something better for this society. And we should, this is the responsibility of the society, that they should look after those students and give them the best facilities so that they can easily grow their talent, and after studying they will become a good doctor, good lawyer, good politicians, anything else. In this way they will serve the society in better way. Hope you find this video beautiful. If you find good, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and also give your suggestions regarding to this video, that what do you think about whatever I have spoken in this video. Follow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.